Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a template in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and then you want to select New. On the right side, you want to go down and now you can see various templates that come built into Word. You can also search online for templates as well, and they have suggested searches here as well if you want to narrow down your search. And then once you find a template you like, all you have to do is just double click on it to open it up. And now you can just basically work on it like you would in any normal Word document. It's already been formatted very nicely here. And you could just select File and then Save As to save it to your desktop or your Documents folder perhaps, wherever you want to normally save such documents to. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.